Do we actually need to know our face shape to contour our face? What if I say no? Yes, in my opinion, it's not like that. Only we need to know is that on which area we need to contour, or we can say on which area we need to create a shadow. And if you guys want to know further about the contouring, then keep watching. And yes, we will be covering few more faces so that you can understand in depth. What I do, instead of knowing the face shape, I divide my face into the parts, or we can say into the section. It's like the forehead section, the middle section, which includes the cheek, and then the jawline section, then the chin section, then the nose. So according to that, I contour my face and few more faces. So I'm going to use this flat brush for applying the contour, and will use the CS Essential contour brush for blending the contour. And we can directly apply or blend with this brush, but I want to explain, that's why I will use these two brushes. And then I will use the Forever 52 contour palette for the contouring. So what does the contour do? Contour creates the shadow on the face. Okay, so whenever we don't want any particular area to be highlighted, we contour that part so that it can create shadow, and someone who will see the makeup will not get attracted to that part which we don't want it to be highlighted. It's very simple. Now someone who has broad forehead will take the lighter part of the forehead down. So it totally depends कि कितना नीचे लाना है contour. So if I want, like according to my face, I'm going to take the contour only till here, like this. And now I'm going to take the blending brush, and I will not blend it downwards. I will take it upwards so that it can create the shadow. And one more thing is that, like I have the narrow part. इधर मेरा जो forehead जाते जाते इधर छोटा हो गया. But if someone has the broad area from this side as well, they will take the contour till here. But I don't, like according to my face, it will not go till here. So I'm just going to blend this part. So this is how the contour looks like on the broad forehead. I will demo on the few faces as well so that you guys can understand more in depth. Like you can guys understand in depth. Okay, so this is how the contour looks like. Now coming to the second section of our face, which is this, we can say like chin and jawline. So first I'm going to take only the chin area. So someone who has broad, like I also have the broad chin area, we can say. So what we are going to do now is going to create the shadow like this. We are going to create the shadow till here, so that our this part, chin area, will look narrow. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to take it from here. Why? क्योंकि ये narrow ही है, यहाँ से wide होना start हो रहा है. So I'm going to take from here. So now we have contour here. We will take our contour here as well. It's very obvious कि हम लोगों को नीचे नहीं लेके जाना है. We will not take it upwards as well. We will make a curve. And one more thing is there in the makeup is that अगर आप इधर contour कर रहे हो तो आपको जो outer corner है eye का, वहाँ तक खत्म करना है contour. Blending, applying everything. So now I'm going to take it here, like you can see. Blend करते करते वो आगे आ जाएगा. That's why I'm not taking it आगे. So now I'm going to blend it, and we will blend this line upward, not the downward, क्योंकि blush हमारा ऊपर लगेगा. So it will mix with the blush so that it can look natural. So as you can see the difference, it has created the shadow, so it's looking narrow, and we haven't applied the contour here, so it's looking white. So now let's contour here as well. The same, I'm going to do like this and taking the contour till here. So now let's take the another section of our face, which is jawline. So we always take the contour from here so that it can look natural, but someone who has the wider part from here as well, we have already taken the contour here, right? and we blended it like this and like this so that it can be a narrow part, कि ये narrow हो जाए. So now what we are going to do, we are going to take the contour from here and taking here. So now I'm going to blend this, and while blending we will take our contour downward कि jaw line, sorry, जो double chin है वहाँ पे shadow create हो जाए. If someone has long chin, usually the diamond face shape and the heart face shape has a long chin. So what we do at that time, we create the shadow from here and we will blend it downward. Can you see? It has like chin जो है वो और छोटा हो गया, which is not looking nice on my face. But if someone has the long chin, it will make it better. So now let's take the another section, which is nose. So as you can see that my nose is wider from this side. और जैसे जैसे वो ऊपर जा रही है वो इस तरीके, मतलब from this to this. Someone like some people has nose like this to going like this only. Then जब eyebrow के side से आ रहा है, then it will be like this. So while contouring the nose हमें बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना है. So what we have to do is हमें eyebrow से connect करना है और एक सीधी लाइन जानी चाहिए. अगर अंदर गया ज़्यादा इट विल क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम. प्रॉब्लम क्या, मतलब आप उसको ठीक कर सकते हो. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि आप उसको ठीक नहीं कर सकते, बट जस्ट आई एम टेलिंग यू. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम कनेक्टिंग इट फ्रॉम द आईब्रो एंड टेकिंग इट डाउनवर्ड and drawing the straight line like this. It will create the shadow here. And if you want, like if you think you have this part is white or this part is highlighting on your face, so you can do like this. So now I cannot use this brush to blend nose contour. Why? Because this brush is too big for this area. So I'm going to use my finger only and I'm going to take this contour downward. We will not take the contour inward. And why we have taken our contour till the brow, so that it can look natural. And I'm going to blend this contour upward because we need to create the shadow over here only. So this is how I contour according to my face. But now let's take the few faces as well so that you can understand in depth. But before that, if someone has heart shape from here, so what they will do, they will ignore this line and they will create the shadow here. So now let's take my mama face. So she has chubby cheeks, so I'm more focusing on the second section, and then I'm more and more focusing on the double chin part and under the chin as well. So as you can see, I'm focusing on that, and I haven't contoured the forehead area because I don't think so that she has broad forehead, that's why. And as you can see now, I'm blending all the contouring parts upwards and on the chin as the downward. And as you can see now, her face, contour side face is uplifted. Now I'm taking my sister face and she has broad forehead, as you can see. So I'm just doing the same step which I have done on my face, and I'm more focusing on the jawline and the chin part and the nose. I'm not focusing on the second section because in my opinion she doesn't require that, but if someone wants to do, they can do. I have just blended it, and as you can see, her face is looking uplifted. Same. Now let's take my best friend face. So I want her face just to be uplifted and to be sharp. This is what usually contour do, right? And now I'm more focusing on the jawline part because on her face I want the jawline part to be sharp. And now as you can see, I'm blending all the contouring parts upwards, and I'm on the jawline, I'm more blending it downwards. So now you can see. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and yes, this is the part 1 of contouring. The second part is about the blush techniques and so much more. So please do subscribe my channel. It will means the world to me. And yes, till then, see you. Bye bye.